Don't forget to subscribe my channel. And hit the bell button to get notification. Traveling is to go from one place to another. It improves social and communication skills. While traveling you can see natural beauty, which tells you that world is so beautiful. But in these joyful moments, sometimes, we have to encounter little or big problems. In this video I am going to tell you about some important things which I have not found on YouTube. The important point is to set the traveling dates according to the people are traveling with you. If you have children and old people as traveling partners, you should set the date as. If they are Asians, then don't go in winters. Or if they are Americans or European, then don't go in summers. The main reason behind that, the season might affect them so badly, especially cold. You should have 2 to 3 passport copies. Because in holy travel, Hajj or Umrah, you can't get the mobile SIM without passport or passport copy. It will also helpful for you, if you lost your passport unfortunately. You should have the numbers of your travel agent representative. If you know the route of the concerned travel agency office. At vacation points, that would be great in emergency situations. If you are having a urine problem, then must go the doctor before travel. Because people take it as not a big problem. But it can be bigger at any time. When you are going to airport, before travel, must check your passport, that you are having your own passport. Don't rely on others, and be attentive on the time of boarding. Because passport can be swapped. Keep SIM of your own country at the end of vacations because you can easily contact the person who is coming to receive you at the airport. Don't say you are sick at the time of boarding because they can be offload you from flight and could be so disturbing if you want to reach at your country anyhow. Common checklist. Please make sure that you are having all these things before travel. 1. Lightweight clothes. 2. Shirts. 3. Sweaters. 4. T-shirts and tank tops. 5. Pants. 6. Socks. 7. Umbrella. 8. Sleepwear. 9. Sunglasses and glasses. 10. Jewelry. 11. Cell phone and charger. 12. Travel apps. 13. Toothbrush. 14. Toothpaste. 15. Hairbrush or comb. 16. Shampoo and conditioner. 17. Face wash. 18. Moisturizer, lotion. 19. Cash. 20. Feminine hygiene products. 21. Medicines. 22. Undergarments. 23. Makeup or beauty bag. 24. Books. 25. Headphone.